Geneve, do you take Farley here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Sister yan. Thank you! Thank you, thank you. Salamat, Day. Thank you, thank you. Wow! Morning coffee machine. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Farley, do you take Geneve here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
Yes, I
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
do. Yes, I
When I see you and you see me, I know we can make it through anything. The moments when we feel afraid, all we gotta do is smile to brighten up the darkest days. Crazy times we're living in, I don't know how it's gonna end, but oh, we're not giving in, not giving in. We're gonna be okay, gonna be okay, gonna be alright. Ooh, we're gonna be alright, as long as we have each other. We're gonna make it out, gonna make it through, gonna find a way. We'll see better days, as long as we have each other, as long as we have each other. As long as we have each other. Like an army standing together, we will rise up stronger than ever. Like an army standing together, we will rise up stronger than ever. Like an army standing together, we will rise up stronger than ever. Like an army standing together, we will.
Now, brothers and sisters, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Farley and Geneve Sabilio. Palakpakan naman natin silang dalawa.
Gonna be okay.